Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell NFTs on Trust Wallet in just a few easy steps. But before that, please be advised that nothing mentioned in this video is financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. This video is for informational and educational purposes only, so please do your own research. And with that out of the way, let's dive in. So first, you want to open your Trust Wallet app, and then you want to go to Discover tab at the bottom. Just click this. Then you want to search for OpenSea. So type in OpenSea, choose this. From here, you want to choose an NFT you want to buy. So whatever NFT that you like, for example, this one. Then from here, you can buy the NFT. So once you have chosen and you have purchased your NFT, all you need to do is just go back to your homepage, click this, and then choose NFTs. And from here, you'll see the list of NFTs you currently own. And from here, you can also sell them. And basically, that's it. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.